Alyssa.
Somebody by their hair.
Sabrina Carpenter.
You're locking that in?
No, I have no clue.
You gotta be confident.
I don't know. Taylor Swift?
100%?
Yes.
I'm sorry, that's Kanye.
One second. How much is your fabric?
Boiled egg.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, babe.
Yeah?
Where did you get this milk?
Somebody like Steve Harvey. Hey, look, y'all really think he look like Steve Harvey? Huh?
Moaning. Nowhere, babe.
Okay, if you say so.
With a laser and muzzle. I'm on a whole nother level. I'm getting.
Favorite part?
With